Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the incorrect time issue on your MacBook. So first of all, open System Settings from the dock at the bottom of your screen. When the settings window appears, look at the left sidebar and open the General section. Inside General, locate and click on Date and Time. Here, one of the easiest ways to refresh the clock settings is to disable the option called Set Date and Time automatically. Your MacBook may ask for your password or Touch ID before allowing any changes. Wait for around 5 seconds and then enable the option again. Also, confirm that the server is set to time.apple.com so your MacBook can sync the correct time from Apple's official server. Now, if the time itself is correct but the displayed hour is inaccurate, then the issue is likely related to the selected time zone. To fix that, make sure the option Set Time Zone automatically using your current location is enabled. If you cannot turn this option on because it is grayed out, go back to the left sidebar and open Privacy and Security. Then, find and open Location Services. Make sure Location Services is switched on. Next, scroll down to the bottom and open System Services, then click on Details. Inside the section, ensure that Setting Time Zone is checked. This allows your MacBook to use your current location to automatically apply the correct time zone. And that's it. That's how you can fix the incorrect time on a MacBook. I hope this video helped you out. For more helpful tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.